हाँ मंगला हूँ इंटरव्यू में छू
नहीं वो खाना क्या बनाना है कुछ नहीं।
हाँ रसिका वो
अच्छा
टिफिन पैक
ठीक
कर
है
दो
ठीक है बाद में देखते हैं।
My maid will call you on your phone. My phone died.
सारू
ए सॉरी वी आर रोलिंग आई थिंक आप नेशनल अवार्ड जीते सुपर नेशनल इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीते कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि द डे यू हैव टू टॉक टू योर हेल्थ ऑफ ओके एवरीथिंग गोज ऑन द साइड
मेरा इंटरव्यू कैसा जाएगा पता नहीं। वो बोल रही है मैं 3 दिन नहीं आएगी दीदी।
ओह नो
मेरी तो मुझे शाम को बाहर जा रही है क्योंकि उसको डॉक्टर के पास जाना है।
मेरी वाली ने बोला भैया ये आखिरी महीना है, मैं काम छोड़ रही हूँ।
एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप बना भी लिया मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं सिर्फ एक्टर बन के
सिर्फ एक्टर बन के इतना अच्छा लगता
है ना रिलीफ लुक एट हर फेस
यू कैन थ्रो टैंट्रम्स एंड से मुझे कॉफी चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए एंड गुजराती चाहिए।
अरे गुजराती छे यार come on the premise has been attempted by the same production house in Marathi before this about a year ago. So did you guys have to depart from or adapt it to suit a Gujarati flavor?
So I would not shy away from saying there are 3 to 4 scenes which have been retained as they are, of course barring the language change.
The star system in Hindi cinema, it's become berserk. कभी-कभी क्या हो जाता है हम अपनी लाइफ और अपने प्रॉब्लम्स में इतने उलझ जाते हैं. We don't see life from the perspective of the people who are helping us.
बिल्कुल.
You know?
महारानी इस फिल्म के प्रमोशंस के लिए जस्ट टू फिल्मी पर आई एम रोटॉक्स एंड आई एम सिटिंग वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन विद 3 नेशनल अवार्ड विनर्स इट डजंट हैपन ऑफन बट आप नेशनल अवार्ड जीते सुपर नेशनल इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीते कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि द डे यू हैव टू टॉक टू योर हेल्थ ऑफ ओके एवरीथिंग गोज ऑन द साइड और ये हमारे साथ अभी हुआ तो अब बात हो गई ना भाई
हाँ
है ना
सॉर्ट हो गया है थोड़ा
ये जो मैंने बोला है कि ये सत्य है कि नहीं
मेरा इंटरव्यू कैसा जाएगा पता नहीं। वो बोल रही है मैं 3 दिन नहीं आएगी दीदी।
ओह नो
मेरी तो मुझे शाम को बाहर जा रही है क्योंकि उसको डॉक्टर के पास जाना है। तो
मेरी वाली ने बोला भैया ये आखिरी महीना है, मैं काम छोड़ रही हूँ।
भाई
And this
Are you okay, Viral?
एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप बना भी लिया ओह माय गॉड
Okay.
and this is real. We
It's
were
real.
shooting day before yesterday for the promotional song. The moment we wrapped up, my face was like this. Mansi is like, what happened? Showed her the message. भैया मैं काम छोड़ के जा रही हूँ.
मेरा last
नहीं यार
Yeah.
that's very tough
It was that a breakup?
Yeah, it is.
of course as you have figured
my first
Maharani,
breakup.
this film is about the relationship that we share with somebody very important in our lives and families and that is our house helps. मेरे हिसाब से यार ये जो एक रिस्पेक्ट लाना ज़रूरी है उनके काम के लिए I think that's the first thing your film is doing. Your
Yes.
film is able to highlight how important they are to our lives. So Viral, I'm going to start with you. Firstly, you have pulled off a coup with these 2 amazing women coming together. तो मुझे बताओ किसको कैसे कन्विंस करना पड़ा प्लीज बताइए
ओ नहीं बिल्कुल कन्विंस नहीं करना
अच्छा,
पड़ा था
अच्छा।
because they were like, oh this is the story of my life.
करेक्ट
तो उनको से फोन किया कि आई वांट टू डू अ फिल्म अबाउट हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट योर स्टाफ इज, योर
Yeah.
डोमेस्टिक हेल्प इज टू यू. या वी आर डूइंग इट. सब कर रहे हैं.
Superb. And at any point, did you think that either or could do either or role? Because I think that that's also a possibility. Because they're such good actors. Shraddha could play Mansi's part in a heartbeat, and so could Mansi.
Yeah. So when we would rehearse during the readings, Mansi would help Shraddha with, why don't you pick up this line? And Shraddha was like, आप एक काम करो यहाँ से नहीं ऐसे और आप मुझे ऐसा बोलो.
क्या बात है?
So yes, absolutely, you are right.
क्या
It's
बात
just
है? It's amazing.
Yeah,
Shraddha,
yeah.
I do want to ask you about when we are portraying people who are not in the same privilege as we are. तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है जैसे कि यार वो कैरिकेचर नहीं बने ऐसे ना लगे कि हम पंच डाउन कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
हमें एक सेंसिटिविटी के साथ उस कॉमेडी को भी अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा. आपके मन में ये कभी आया क्या?
देखिए कॉमेडी फिल्म ना मुझे अब पता चला कि बहुत ही टफ है. इट्स
ना?
वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लैंड द सिचुएशन ऑन करेक्ट टाइम. लेकिन ये जो रानी का कैरेक्टर था तो वहाँ पे मुझे पता था कि ये ऑनेस्टी के साथ करना है. दैट्स इट. जो लिखी है सिचुएशन वही मतलब कॉमेडी है. आई डोंट हैव टू पुट एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स तो बस वही था. और मेरी मम्मी ना हमेशा बोलती थी कि यार इन लोगों के साथ बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट्स इट और बहुत ही ऐसे बिहेव करना चाहिए आप सबको कि फैमिली है। तो मैं पूछती थी क्यों, पर मतलब यू ऑलवेज लाइक कि नहीं 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 आप मासी आप आओ, मैं कर दूंगी, ज़्यादा लोग हैं तो मैं कर दूंगी। तो मैं बोलती मम्मी तू काम वाली है या वो?
जी हाँ।
फिर अब मुझे पता चला कि ना, she was right. Like
Yeah,
now
yeah.
in real life I'm playing Mansi's character.
Yeah, yeah.
तो वो था। और कॉमेडी की बात है तो सिचुएशन ही बहुत ही महारानी की कॉमेडी थी।
Comedy है.
हाँ।
Yeah.
तो as an actor it was easy to play such characters, you know.
Yeah,
Where you don't
absolutely.
have to put punch lines.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि
Yeah.
लिखा है ना, तो अच्छी बात
लिखा
है।
बहुत
बिल्कुल,
अच्छे से।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ।
You're no stranger to comedy. I remember celebrating when you were in Sumit Sambalega. मतलब हम तो मानसी की कॉमेडी टाइमिंग तब से जानते हैं. And I'm going to ask you the same question because as a producer usually when you come in and hello, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक्टिंग कर रही है मानसी, मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं सिर्फ एक्टर बन के?
सिर्फ एक्टर बन के इतना अच्छा लगता
है ना, रिलीफ, लुक एट हर फेस.
बिकॉज आप यू कैन थ्रो टैंट्रम्स एंड से मुझे कॉफी चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. व्हेन यू आर प्रोड्यूसर लाइक जल्दी करो, टाइम है, बजट ओवर बजट जा रहा है, 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट खत्म. यू नो लाइक देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड व्हेन यू आर अ प्रोड्यूसर. Of course, in this one, Viral is the producer director, so that's another thing. But I was the actor in this, and it's great because एक तो like you said, you know, it's highlighting the importance of help in our lives. And secondly, कभी-कभी क्या हो जाता है, हम अपनी life और अपने problems में इतने उलझ जाते हैं, we don't see life from the perspective of the people who are helping us.
बिल्कुल.
You know, this also shows you their perspective. What are
Yeah.
they going through?
Yeah.
We don't really think about it a lot. We think कि they are for us because they are there every day.
बिल्कुल.
But ऐसा नहीं है. They are humans.
Yeah.
They also have a side to themselves. They also have desires. So I think that conversation, this film is kind of also bringing up. तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. And it's such a relatable topic कि जैसे ही आप ट्रेलर देखोगे आपको लगेगा यार
ये तो हमारे घर की कहानी है.
हमारे घर की कहानी है.
हमारे घर की कहानी है भाई. I always look at people who help us in our daily lives as your thumb. Because if you don't have the thumb, you know, that's exactly what it is. कि वो अंगूठी से कम नहीं है. क्योंकि अंगूठा ना हो तो भाई आप कोई काम नहीं कर सकते हो.
Exactly.
And that's when you realize उनके ना होने से ही पता चलता है कि उनकी अहमियत क्या है.
Correct.
And it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I also know that this film has, you know, the premise has been attempted by the same, you know, production house in Marathi before this, about a year ago. And I know that because Sarang was in that. So did you guys have to depart from or, you know, adapt it to suit a Gujarati flavor? How was that process for you?
Oh, it was a lot of adaptation, but retaining the core essence of the film. So I would
Correct.
not shy away from saying there are 3 to 4 scenes which have been retained as they are, of course, barring the language change.
yeah.
But the biggest change you will see here is the pace of the film, the humor of the film, and जो कहते हैं ना Gujarati thali.
Yeah.
So the Gujaratification of this film has been done in the way my audience would love it. So,
Correct.
and I would say, like, you know, as they say, there are only 7 stories in the world. So this is one of those stories. So
Correct.
when I have taken an official ride, I would love to retain the original things. But yes, it's way too different in its way of telling.
100%.
Yeah.
I also feel that the commonality, and you know, Jay, who's here, Jay and I, we love the movies. We were both talking about how Marathi audiences and Gujarati audiences truly love their humor.
Yeah.
You know, it is
Yeah.
such a safe space to go crazy.
Yeah.
And वो एक क्या बोलते हैं ना, वो एक वरदान है कि
हाँ.
आपकी audience आपके साथ है. वो they will buy into the thing and they will laugh also the language, because in both these you know, in both these languages शब्दों पर भार अलग है. You know,
Correct.
आज भी it's a play of words. You know, the way you say it, कि बोली वही गई ने. What was the dialogue in Sanjay Gurade ji says it? वही गई.
જેની અહીંયા જરૂર છે ને ત્યાં જરૂર છે.
गई. It's so funny
very funny.
because it's a play, and I love that because I think that is the purest form of comedy. Like when we
Yes.
were growing up, all of the greatest literature, comedy तो वहीं से आई ना. अगर आप
Yeah,
शेक्सपियर
absolutely.
कीजिए या फिर किसी और का व्यंग देखिए, वो लिखा हुआ है. And I think it's great. What have you understood about audiences today? Because मैं आपको गुजराती फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ बैठी हूँ मैं, लेकिन हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बाद शायद आपको पता नहीं होगा. It's a struggle.
It
I don't know if you know this.
No, of
Yeah.
course.
It's been hard.
Very well aware.
It's been hard.
How are you guys dealing with it? And I see you all flourishing at this point. What's the
Yes.
secret?
Because local local stories, regional languages, that's what it's all about. Like you said yourself, कि एक चीज़ आप अगर हिंदी में बोलोगे तो उसका ह्यूमर अलग है, बट अभी ये गुजराती फिल्म की और लैंग्वेज की जो बात है उसका लैंडिंग ह्यूमर बहुत अलग है. एंड पीपल हु रेजोनेट विद देयर ओन लैंग्वेज मदर टंग, they feel यार मजा आ रहा है, अपनी लैंग्वेज में फिल्म देखने का मजा आ रहा है. They are appreciating cinema more, they're going for more regional films, and I think it's a great time for Gujarati cinema. In fact, we were saying in the next 2 years it's going to go even bigger.
That's
Because
amazing.
people are realizing कि यार नहीं, ये लोग अच्छा कंटेंट बना रहे हैं और हम रिलेट कर रहे हैं इन चीज़ों से. तो पहले क्या होता था, बहुत ही नीश ऑडियंसेस होती थी जो जाती थी गुजराती फिल्म्स के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
But and you've seen like our journey, you know, over
Yeah,
the years, like
yeah.
from the first film that we made, Golkeri.
Yeah.
So as a Bombay
Golkeri
person,
Pachi, Kutch Express, and
Yeah.
even your last film was a
Shubh
hit.
Shubh,
So
yeah.
that was amazing.
yeah. So it's just steadily growing and growing, and internationally, so many markets are opening up for our films. So I think it's a great time for.
That's
Gujarati
amazing.
cinema, yeah.
That's amazing.
I think it's just that makers never came forward to make films in their regional language. You know, as Indians, we've always noticed, हम जब abroad जाते हैं, हम अपना खाकरा, थेपला, ये वो सब लेकर ही जाते हैं. 4 दिन रहो, आपको इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढनी है यार, दाल मखनी और पनीर खाना ही है.
बिल्कुल.
So the need for local content, be it food or be it entertainment, has always been there.
अब आप अपनी फिल्में भी लेके जा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
है ना, दाल ढोकला काकरा ने एक पिक्चर साथ ले जाइए आप. That's amazing. I remember how you broke onto the scene with your movies as well, and I want to ask you, Shraddha, कि when you started off, did you feel that is business में, and I'm sorry to say business because the truth is कि अगर business अच्छा नहीं करेगा तो artist कहाँ perform करेगा? Are you happy at where your cinema has gone today?
Of course, मुझे लगता है कि अभी जितने भी गुजराती क्रिएटिव लोग हैं, लाइक डायरेक्टर्स, राइटर्स, एक्टर्स, उनकी लाइफ अभी भी नॉर्मल है. मतलब दे आर लिविंग विद देयर फैमिलीज एंड नॉर्मल पीपल अराउंड. दे आर स्टिल यू नो, दे हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग इन बस, ट्रेन्स एंड गोइंग टू बैंक. हम सब खुद से ही कर रहे हैं.
जी हाँ.
तो हमें पता है कि ऑडियंस को, लोगों को क्या चाहिए, क्या कनेक्ट होगा और हाउ द पीपल आर. तो मेरी मम्मी, मुझे पता है कि क्या बात करती है, उससे क्या चाहिए. उनकी जो फ्रेंड्स है, अभी भी मैं उनसे मिलती हूँ, तो हम लोग, वी आर नॉट स्टार्स, यू नो. तो जो लाइफ है, जो लोगों को चाहिए, तो हम इजीली राइटर लिख सकते हैं, डायरेक्टर बना सकते हैं और एक्टर्स पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं.
Amazing.
तो
और ये
that's
स्टार
the reason.
अपने फैमिली के साथ तो हो ही, but are you saying that a big difference is also the star system
Yeah.
hasn't creeped into the industry? એટલે કે if you're making a project, you are as in as Mansi is as in as Viral, because you all are saying कि चलो यार ये फिल्म
ये
बनानी
अपना
जरूरी
project है,
अपना
ये हमारा
project
है.
yes.
है
The
क्या
project
ये?
is bigger than us, and that's
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
it should be.
Yeah.
So I think that
Can
is
read the
definitely.
people's mind, I
Yeah.
think,
Yeah.
easily in regional cinema.
Are you telling me कि as Shraddha, you don't have any demands?
I have demands.
सोचे तुम्हारी डिमांड. बोलो
to send
बोलो
scripts
ना.
and the
अरे स्क्रिप्ट तो बदला यार.
डिमांड. हाँ, मतलब अभी जो हस्बैंड के साथ भी थोड़ी डिमांड होती है ना, मुझे वहाँ जाना है, मुझे यही खाना है, वो मैं डायरेक्टर्स के साथ भी और एक्टर के साथ भी करती हूँ कि नहीं, मेरे को आज यही कॉफी पीनी है और यही खाना है, वो मैं करती हूँ. श्रद्धा
very
मेरी डिमांड, not as an actor but
Yeah.
as human being, I have few demands from my friends, from my family and from my husband. So,
How lovely. No, but you get what I'm saying, Mansi, because see, the day that something gets successful, you are going to fall into these traps as an
Yeah.
industry.
Absolutely.
You know, and then the bigger you get, the more expensive it's going to get to make these films. And because you all are both producers, and are you going to be a producer one day?
I would love to.
Come on. Come
I'll
on.
learn something from Mansi.
Yeah. No, we must, because only when we step into the shoes of producer we understand कि
Of
भाई
course,
फिल्म
of
में
course.
कितने पैसे लग रहे हैं
Yeah.
और फिल्म कैसे बन रही है. What would you do to make sure that you are playing on this, you know, let's keep our costs low? Is that important to you?
Absolutely, it's so important. I was just watching Subhash Ghai's interview, where he was saying that, you know, कि the star system in Hindi cinema, obviously because Hindi is an international market, it's a very big industry. So वहाँ पे to maintain costs and all that is very difficult.
Yeah.
But he said that it's become berserk, and he's like, when he was a filmmaker at that point, you know, things were not that crazy.
Yeah, it
And now
wasn't.
the costs have spiraled so much that it's just weighing down on the filmmaking as a whole
And the business.
and the business.
Yeah.
So I think in that sense, the regional industry, especially a Gujarati industry, because it's smaller, doesn't have those hang-ups or that boj, so to speak. So yeah, I think I would make sure, and our attempt as producers is that we want to make sure we make a film within a specific budget and it doesn't go beyond that. And nobody in that film project is bigger than the project. And you have to make sure it stays within that daira.
Yeah.
तो वो जाके फिल्म वर्क करेगी. तो अगर वो फिल्म वर्क करेगी तो इन्वेस्टर्स ज्यादा पैसा डालेंगे आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म में, और तो ही आप ज्यादा काम कर पाएंगे. ना कि आपने एक फिल्म में इतना करोड़ों का कर दिया और फिर वो फिल्म वर्क नहीं करी या कम वर्क किया, तो देन द इन्वेस्टर्स विल बी लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, it's not working. So
It's
we
not
got
worth
to
it, yeah.
straddle that thing of making sure there's creativity as well as monetary sense. And Gujarati છે
અને
તો
ગુજરાતી છે
આપણે
come on.
માપમાં કરવું જ પડે.
I was like demand like
अरे demand.
खाना पीना ही
हाँ,
याद
उसका demand है खाना पीना.
like खाना पीना.
But it's massively refreshing. આવું નથી કે તમારું hair makeup, you know, you will
Yeah,
still
yeah.
get your hair and makeup.
Yeah,
That is a basic requirement. You will still get a styling.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I just feel that when you are in a place like this, you are in a great place.
Yeah.
Because you're able to truly experiment. You're able to tell these stories. So that's great. Growing up, I know that we may not have had the sense of why is the staff around us so important. But individually, personally, आपके खुद की तुम्हारे लाइफ में तो भाई मैं तो इग्नोर नहीं कर सकती ये बात, बिकॉज मानसी यू आर अ डॉटर, यू आर अ वाइफ एंड यू आर अ मदर, एंड आई नो कि ऑल ऑफ दीज थ्री रोल्स हैव रिक्वायर्ड द हेल्प ऑफ अदर विमेन
Of course.
टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
100%.
What have you learned through the making of this film?
That it's all about the people you're with. It's never about you. And only if the people around you are happy will you be able to be happy yourself. I think we live in times where, of course, we have to focus on a lot of, you know, my happiness and my. But honestly, I think the secret to happiness is to make sure that the people who are with you are also happy. Only then can you thrive. So I think growing up in a Gujarati household, I've seen that with my mum, the way she deals with stuff. She's a boss woman. I've seen my grandmother do that. All these matriarchs take that lead.
Yeah.
And, you know, maintaining that thin line between being the leader but at the same time being very adaptable.
Correct.
So I kind of continue that tradition. And like you said, mother, you know, daughter, wife, ये सारे roles, they demand a lot. But I'm very clear, I'm not a superwoman. मैं सब कुछ अकेली नहीं कर पाती. I need help. I ask for help. I take help from people
That's
every
amazing.
day.
That's
and I think that is the strength. Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
For you, Viral, and let me tell you one more thing. आपकी फिल्म में या इस स्क्रिप्ट में अच्छी बात ये है कि जो इनके पति हैं वो भी इक्वली इन्वॉल्व हैं.
Yeah.
और वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि भाई ये बात कि यू नो घर पे जो काम कर रही हैं वो निकल रही हैं. The husband is in a corporate setup and he is the one who's like, what are you saying? Like, she can't leave us. And I think कहीं ना कहीं ये जिम्मा नहीं दिखता, you know, मर्दों पर ये जिम्मा होता ही नहीं है. Is that important to you?
Very important. What I wanted to say from this film is बहुत सारे लोगों को गलतफहमी होती है कि उन्हें हमारी ज़रूरत है, your staff. But what I want to say through this film is like हमें उनकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. So
बिल्कुल,
that is the core reason I wanted to tell this story.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
For you?
मेरे पास तो माँ थी अब तक. एक साल से माँ अलग है, मैं अलग हूँ. I got married.
Oh, congratulations.
तो बस जब स्कूल में थे, कॉलेज में थे, तो मम्मी was always there. Like, टिफिन बन गया तुम्हारा, ये ले लो, यूनिफॉर्म रेडी है. अभी क्या है ना, शूट पे निकलना है. And you are mentally occupied 24 hours. अब घर पे भी हो तो फ़ोन चल रहा है, स्क्रिप्ट दिमाग में है, कैरेक्टर दिमाग में है.
बिल्कुल.
तो आपको अगर ये भी कोई पूछे ना कि आज खाना क्या बनाना है, तो इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट टू डिसाइड, यू नो. तो तब मुझे अभी लग रहा है कि मुझे एक और इंसान चाहिए लाइफ में जो सिर्फ ये डिसाइड करे कि आज खाना क्या बनेगा, आज किसको कितने बजे आना है, जो जाके हाउस हेल्प को बताए कि आज ये खाना बनेगा और ये कचरा यहाँ पे. मुझे इतना भी नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
मैं बहुत ही मतलब इफ आई एम इनटू समथिंग तो हम पेलू के ना गुजराती में ध्यान बेरी.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
सो आई एम लाइक दैट. अगर आप मुझे कुछ बोल रहे हो कि श्रद्धा आज यहाँ पे जाना है, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, क्रिएटिव थॉट्स चल रहे हैं और उसमें आके अगर कोई बोले कि कपड़े कहाँ रखने हैं, ये कहाँ, मुझसे नहीं होगा.
हाँ,
अभी
बिल्कुल यार.
मुझे उसके लिए भी स्टाफ चाहिए. So
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
now I have
बिल्कुल.
realized that
Yeah,
I
but-
need a
yeah.
whole village.
you need it, and also कि it's the times are changing, you know.
Yeah.
कि at least until 10 years ago, even 15 years ago, हमारी मम्मियों ने ये सारे काम किए क्योंकि
Yeah.
उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं, even the working mothers,
Yeah.
they would switch off from work once they were home because their whole thing was ये घर कैसे चलाना है. और अब because the women have gotten busy, I think there is a huge change, and that's why this is the time for this story.
Yeah.
Because here the women are, look at the poster.
Yeah.
Poster पर तू laptop पर छे,
Yeah.
you know, and that is the whole essence of the film.
Yeah.
कि because women have gotten busy, we need other women. And before I go, of course, I want to share a beautiful story with you. I remember moving into my current house about 8 years ago, and I found someone who helps me out in my घर का काम. तो मैंने उनको देख के सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ बोली. मैंने कहा देखो, अगर मुझे आपका घर चलाना है, तो अगर मुझे आपका घर चलाना है तो आपको मेरा घर चलाना है. And she looked at me. We didn't know each other at all, and she's like, cool. I mean, she was like,
Yeah.
And I just think that relationship is the reason why I have been able to do everything I do.
Yeah.
Like हम usually हमारे thank you speeches में अपने mom, dad, अपने family, अपने husband को thank you कहते हैं. I will always thank Mangala. And
Yeah.
Mangala, this is for you, a shout out. But it's true because
Yes.
that's what she enabled. And thank you for making a film that's talking about this. I think it's absolutely wonderful.
તો અમારી ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મ મહારાણી રિલીઝ થવાની છે 1st ઓગસ્ટે એન્ડ ઇટ્સ અ ફેમિલી ફિલ્મ કમ્પ્લીટ એન્ટરટેનર ટોક્સ અબાઉટ આર હેલ્પ the staff that helps us live our lives and the relationship that we have with them and how important they are for us. It's completely entertaining. You cannot miss it. You must watch it in the theaters.
और अगर आपको गुजराती नहीं भी आती है, फिर भी हंसते हंसते आपको कहना है कि अरे ये तो मेरे घर की बात है, तो प्लीज़ आइए, वॉच महारानी ऑन 1st of August in cinemas near you.
હા, કારણ કે કોમેડીમાં કોઈ લેંગ્વેજની જરૂર નથી હોતી અને અમારી ફિલ્મમાં બધું જ છે, બધા જ ઇમોશન્સ છે. તો આઈ થિંક તમને 2-3 મહિના સુધી આમ યાદ રહે. મહારાણી એવી ફિલ્મ છે અને આઈ થિંક તમે રિપીટ જોવા જઈશો. સો ફોર દેટ
તમને બહુ મજા આવશે.
બહુ મજા
બહુ જ
આવશે.
મજા આવે.
હાય, ધીસ ઇઝ શ્રદ્ધા ડાંગર. વી આર ઓન જસ્ટ ટુ ફિલ્મી અને આને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો.
Hi, this is Viral Shah. You are on Just to Film Me. Please subscribe and watch this video.
Hi, this is Mansi Parekh and we are on Just to Film Me. Subscribe, like and share.